Morning and welcome to today's video. In this video we will be making a jellyfish. You will need 2 colored papers. If you don't have this, then just color in white paper. You will also need a pencil, scissors, glue, and assorted colors. Take your first page and draw a large semicircle. This is going to be the top of your jellyfish. Draw a line underneath and a row of semicircles. Then let's add eyes and a mouth. Alright, when you are ready, add some color. You can also add circles and ovals. This gives it a jelly texture. When you're ready, cut out your shape. Take your next page and draw squiggle lines along its length. Then cut these out. Remove the straight edges. You can add colors or circles. I'm using the same colors as before because I want them to match. Time to glue. Turn your jellyfish body over and stick your long squiggly pieces to the bottom edge. Great, now let's curl our tentacles. Roll each tentacle up so that it becomes curled. The tighter you roll and the higher up you make it changes the way it looks. Awesome, there is your jellyfish. Happy jellying, happy swimming. Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. Heart Studio would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let us know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send us a picture or tag us so we can see what you made. You can also visit our profile to see other art videos, or click on one of the suggested tutorials on the screen. I hope you enjoyed!